Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, Level 6 weather tech and a functional weather station. This lets you influence events. Once done, plant lightning flowers and tall saplings near conductive elements to raise local strike chance. Make sure metal rod and grounding plate are placed with a 5 m separation. This creates an electrical gradient. You should save the game before testing. That avoids losing progress. Now trigger a controlled storm via the station menu. This initiates the lightning event sequence you need. Once the storm is active, you align conductive pathways from the metal rod to the crop cluster so charges channel correctly. Then apply charged fertilizer at 0. 5 units per lightning flower to increase conductivity. This makes strikes more likely. Make sure to monitor storm intensity. Aim for a range between 40% and 70%, because higher intensity risks widespread fires and lower intensity reduces strike chance. You can tweak conductor spacing incrementally to fine-tune where bolts land during the storm. You now trigger the final focus strike using the weather station's focus strike toggle, which biases lightning toward grounded conductive areas. After the event, collect yields and inspect plants for scorch damage. Lightning boosts growth but may scorch 1/4 of nearby foliage. If you don't get strikes, increase charged fertilizer slightly and shrink the storm area by about 10%, then retry. This adjusts conductivity versus storm spread. Remember, save, iterate, and keep conductors well spaced to prevent accidental facility damage.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.